Brandon where the local time is approximately 1:20. Please keep your seatbelts fastened and carry items stowed for just a while longer as there's still a chance for a quick turn or a sudden stop. Just a friendly reminder, all four electronic devices still need to be that fancy airplane or flight mode. We are not at our gate yet. Can't transmit or receive any signals. Thank you. Once that seatbelt sign has been turned off, and only when that seatbelt sign has been turned off, will it be safe for you to stand. Be sure to check your surrounding area for all your personal items you brought on board today. Don't worry if you forget anything, you can buy it back from us later tonight on eBay for a very unreasonable price. I'm kidding, of course. And be careful when opening those overhead bins as your carrying items may have moved around, gotten very excited, and want to jump out and greet you. As many of you may have noticed or already experienced, this is a wee bit of a tiny aircraft with very limited head clearance. So if you didn't bump your head when you walked in, you're most likely going to as you walk out. So please be careful. As we will be deplaning onto the ramp here in Brandon, please watch your step as you exit this aircraft. Please stay a safe distance away from that wing area. Refrain from using more electronic devices such as cell phones, headphones, taking selfies while out on the ramp area. I know you guys want to, but no. I follow the direction of that friendly WestJet agent. We'd like to remind you that smoking is only allowed to designate smoking areas, and the area around this aircraft is not one of them. All guests proceed directly inside where there are 4 friendly WestJet agents to assist you. Your checked baggage will be delivered within 2 to 4 business days from the time you reach the carousel. I'm kidding, guys. It's approximately 20 minutes. On behalf of WestJet Encore, and specifically your in-flight crew today, thank you so much for flying with us. If Brandon is home, then lucky you and welcome home. If not, have a great stay in the Brandon area or wherever your final destination may be. Thank you.